My grandmother always told me that if you don't write a thank you note, it's as if the good thing never happened.
This is mine. For all you lost over Lala's stupidity.
Unless you want me to throw that bag at Black Lightning, it doesn't really solve your real problem.
Black Lightning is dead. I killed him my damn self.
Tobias, are you a church-going man?
No disrespect, Lady Eve, but my life hasn't exactly led me down a spiritual path.
Well, I'm going to tell you that the good book helps folks stay in line. Then, here comes Black Lightning, and they think they don't have to. Take Reverend Holt, for instance. He's planning a march. He's gonna lead everybody to the promised land and take away our protection money when he gets there.
You can't be that stupid.
Oh, well, another pastor realized the risk in that proposal and was smart enough to let me know.
And I thank you for passing that on.
What I expect is for you and that girl with death in her eyes to take care of it. I don't mind people believing in God. They just can't believe that they can take back these streets.
Black Lightning. New hit series tonight at 9/8 Central on the CW.